Good morning, guys. I think we're gonna go to kayaking since we couldn't go yesterday since it's closed. So we're gonna try our luck today and see if it's open. And then after that, I think we're gonna go to like underground shopping. I don't know, but something. Anyways, yeah, this is us getting ready. Yeah, ignore the place. It's always messy. Seattle's over here getting ready, and me. I think this will be my fit, but if we're going to kayak, I'm just gonna put on like a jacket under my thing. So yeah, I think that's all for now, and I'll see you guys later. Guys, we're at this restaurant. We're about to eat. Look at this! Wow. They got the pork and I got the chicken udon. And it smells so good.
Yeah. I was gonna say let's do the click, but
Try the soup. So good.
the US, the only foods that come fast are fast foods.
Yeah, the restaurants always take forever.
Always too great.
Okay, guys, we're done eating. It's so good. We finished them all.
Devoured.
Your
The best soup I've ever tasted. Really?
We're at this photo booth thing. We're looking for what to wear right now.
The octopus. Oh look, they're like you. Let's see. Ooh.
Oh, they have more over here.
Oh shoot.
Ah, yeah. Well, this is my. I hope they didn't think I see it from here.
For real.
Picking our
What
pictures
else?
right now.
I like this one too. Which one do you like out of these two?
Okay.
And
I don't know. 9. Okay.
I don't know.
Just pick one. Just pick one.
I don't know.
Okay.
See when the dance on fire. Everything catches fire. Don't stand too close, too close, too far. Give me that gasoline. Give me that. Hit me with the one. Maybe this one? Yeah.
Okay. Here at the same. Like the same post? Yeah. Okay.
Sun is shining, the sky so blue. Feel the ocean, just me and
Okay, guys. Yeah, we can't go to the kayak because the waves are pretty strong. So, yeah. So we're going to another location to do something. Hey guys, so we're at this the mountain right now. We're exploring. The views are really nice. It's so green. We just park here. Then we're about to go up the mountain. Yeah. It's really pretty here. Okay, we're gonna walk up all the way at the top of the mountain. Okay, preparing myself.
Breathing your nose out now.
Okay, I'll see you guys when I get all the way up. It's gonna take a while. I'm already tired. Guys, so hot. We're all the way up here now.
My armpits. I need some breeze. The ocean breeze.
And we're gonna go up more. See? I think we're here up now. It's kind of windy, which is pretty nice. Yeah. These are the view. It's so nice. Yeah. Where we came from. Okay guys, we are going down. Yeah. Look at
They got some
these.
pigs here too. Just crazy.
Going down.
If I roll down, I'm taking both of y'all with me.
No.
No, you're not.
Yes, I am.
I'm gonna push you down more.
Boy, get out.
Okay, now it's getting hot.
Yeah, we made it up. Over here.
It reminded me of that.
Here.
It looks very foggy.
Yeah.
So it wouldn't come out there.
Dang, my ears just
Don't worry, guys. We can wait somewhere else.
good.
That has a good beach.
Cancun?
Cancun, Mexico.
Yes, they have cruise ships there.
For real.
Or Bali. Or Thailand.
It's pretty. It's the ocean. There. Okay, gonna eat ice cream. We got the peanut ice cream. Really? Phong này là tỷ lệ không? Jeez.
64.
Oh, look at all these.
Oh, I really like JEJU.
Me too.
That's a big one.
Thank you.
Okay, let me see. Oh, wow.
Smells good.
Wait, do I put it like this or like this?
Hey guys, so we're shopping right now. In the middle of the road. I mean, not the road. The street. Here. We just have a funny experience from the room service dude, and she walked on to the different floor, and then he started laughing.
Oh my god.
And okay, anyways, this is the room service, like food that we order, chicken.
Bro, he probably started laughing at
You
me.
probably told everybody too.
Yeah.
Those guys in groups that was doing cardboard.
Bro, and then
What
you
if
saw
their
their
friends
mess?
Oh yeah, that good. The 3 girls.
Bro, for real. You gotta tell that dude. And then that dude's gonna be like, oh, I just had the same experience too. They started laughing really hard.
And they're gonna tell everybody in the mom But it was funny though. At least he laughed.
For real, because I was like, oh, I hope he laughs.
For real. The moment we went in the elevator, I looked at him. He was like,
And really?
yeah. Before anything happened, because it was already funny. Because we were just like, oh, there's like chicken. And he was like, yeah, you're chicken. And then he was like, should we pay? And I was like, check out. Chicken face, should we pay? And he was like, check out. After I said, check out. And he was like,
How did you not know, bro? You came out and you're just like,
because I thought it was our room. I heard him after I he said, no, and then it hit me.
He told you when you heard, he was like, boom.
Right?
Like when the elevator hit you.
Sorry. And he said, it's okay. Oh my gosh.
Oh my god.
And then that's when he kind of started laughing.
And he was like,
Caught. And he was like, that's when he started laughing more.
I know. I was like, bro.
Wait, I want water. Cold water.
This is me and my mans.
Boy, get up.
Where's my other picture with us? It's already funny the moment we met at that. Did y'all pray?
Yeah. Yes. Is it good?
Uh-huh.
What is it sweet?
Hello guys, so today's our last day in JEJU, sadly, but anyways, we're getting ready, like we're packing up our stuff. We're gonna go to Incheon tomorrow and we're gonna arrive there late, so yeah, we're right now we're packing our stuff here, repacking everything again since we shop. Here, stuff right here, still packing, almost done. These are my receipts. Yeah, receipt from shopping. Yeah, I think we'll be done maybe in like an hour, hopefully less than an hour. Good morning guys, today's our last day here in JEJU. We're about to check out right now. Got our stuff ready, my stuff ready. And we have to check out by 11 a.m. or before that. And then we have our flight to Incheon at 7. So we're gonna have a little bit time here, like a few hours here, and then we're just gonna head to the airport. That's just an update. Serena, how do you feel leaving? Yeah, she keeps on saying that. Neek. What about you, Cielo? How do you feel leaving Jeju Island?
I'm gonna miss it.
Yeah.
But, you know, it is what it is.
Yeah. Guys, we're at this restaurant. We're trying to find a place, but we couldn't, so we came in here. And it was too hot, so we just came in here. We're eating this right now.
We don't know about the food yet.
Don't know about the food, but people... Hey, should have just left. Don't get my English language. Okay, this is the food we got. I got the beef ramen. Got the beef ramen. What did you get, Cielo? I didn't even see it. Egg. Way there. Looks good. We're gonna try it. How was it? Flavorful?
Tastes like ramen.
Okay. We're at this other restaurant. It's kind of raining, so yeah.
My cats are killing me.
Killing me, girl. Hey. I got something again. This. Okay, we're at the JEJU airport, about to go to Incheon, and then we're gonna stay there for just tonight, and then we're gonna be flying back home. Anyways, these are our stuff. Wait, hold up. So I guess I'll see you guys when we arrive there. Bye. Our luggages. Let's see. We've been taking this, so I think we're pretty good. I don't know. Our last meal. Dinner.
You don't want more?
Good morning, guys. Today's our last day. We're gonna leave in 2 hours. There's one bus yellows. Stay there. This is my spot, and Serena. Kinda have a pretty big space. Kinda, it's okay. There's coffee and stuff like that. There's table, our stuff, and the bathroom over there. Nice. We're here. How do you feel? She doesn't want to leave. Cielo? Do you want to leave? What about you?
Go to
Say bye.
It's gonna hit you more. That's what happened to us.
There's 6. We came with one bag, suitcase.